Did you review the true bill? We're back on the record. Did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it? Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
We do, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Your Honor.
Did you review the court admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes.
Court is calling 2025 CR 009906, State versus Timothy Wald. Could I have parties announced?
Pertaining to the state of Texas.
And here we go, the courtroom energy just shifted. Anytime a judge calls out a case number like that, you know something serious is coming. Buckle in.
Alday Smith for the defense.
All right, Mr. Wald. And are you Mr. Wald?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, have you received all discovery? Did you review it with your client?
I have and we did, Your Honor.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Wald, did you review the application for community supervision with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
We do, Your Honor.
All right, off the record. The box is checked that the state is recommending deferred adjudication.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, I need an application for deferred adjudication.
I thought
No, it's just for, you just did an application for community supervision.
I don't know if you have a second one.
I had both of them on there.
Yeah, I grabbed it. I thought it was non-jury. I guess.
Did you review the true bill? We're back on the record. Did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it? Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
We do, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Your Honor.
Did you review the court admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Quick legal insight. When the state says they're proceeding on the indictment, it means they're sticking with the formal charges as written. No reductions, no amendments. Translation. Things just got real for the defendant.
You're charged with injury to a child or elderly or disabled person, bodily injury as a third-degree felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 10 years in the prison and up to a $10,000 fine. If you have a plea with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand? You have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses. The state would call in the right to remain silent. By entering this plea, you're giving up those rights. Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case? Did you understand if the court were to grant your application for deferred adjudication, if for any reason your deferred adjudication were revoked, the court could find you guilty?
This is a crucial checkpoint. The judge must ensure the defendant is mentally competent and understands the case. If the defense attorney had hesitated here even slightly, this entire hearing could have taken a sharp turn.
And sentence you up to 10 years in the prison and up to a $10,000 fine.
Yes,
You're going to need to speak up.
yes, ma'am.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes, Your Honor, he has.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
I do.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
My opinion, yes.
Mr. Wald, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
Well, that question hits like a sledgehammer when a judge asks something this blunt. She is signaling two things: she's confused and she's not amused. Audience, what would you say if a judge asked you this in open court?
No, ma'am.
Anyone promise you anything? Defense is that the plea knowingly and voluntarily waived and
Your Honor, we'd ask that you follow the Reed recommendation.
Are you still with Miranda de Hoyos? All right. Why are you fighting a 14-year-old?
So I actually, yes, I had an altercation with, there's two neighbors out there. There's an adult, and I guess there's a child as well.
Well, what they're saying is that you were having an altercation with Miranda, who you're no longer with. That's what the police report says.
Right. So basically, I got locked out of my house, and that was my girlfriend at the time. And so I was basically beating on the door to get in, and the neighbors, I guess, commented on me beating on the door, and so they basically started an altercation with me.
Let me ask you this.
On my doorstep.
Were you on the lease?
No.
So that's not your place.
Well, I was living there for 2 years.
Yeah. But here's the thing. Obviously, she didn't want you anymore because it says that you got in an altercation with her. And then the complainant and his mother were just trying to help her. And the 14-year-old asked Miranda, hey, do you want me to stay here or you want me to leave? And she said she wanted him to stay. That's what's in the police report, what you stipulated to. So it appears that Miranda did not want you anymore, that you got upset by it. The neighbors thought she was in danger. So that's why the neighbors got involved. So it wasn't these neighbors just like, oh, let me come on your doorstep. They were on your doorstep because they felt that Miranda needed protection.
This right here is the big moment. Deferred adjudication. For those unfamiliar, it's basically a second chance with strict strings attached. If he messes up even once, all bets are off, and that 2 to 10 year prison range comes right back into play.
Are you employed?
No.
So how do you support yourself?
Well, I now going through a tip agency to work.
So how do you support yourself?
I haven't been
So where do you live?
staying with my kid's mother.
All right. This is what the court is going to do. There's 7 years deferred adjudication. There's going to be proof of employment within 45 days. No employment as a home health care provider or with minors. There should be no contact with the following persons: regular reporting by Zoom or in person, regular random UAs, field visits 1 time per month until further notice, 200 hours community service restitution. I'm going to order parenting classes. Once that's completed, 100 hours will be deemed satisfied. The remaining 100 hours will be deemed satisfied upon completion of anger management. There should be a TAP evaluation, out of custody, follow TAP results.
Classic courtroom reality check. Judges don't sugarcoat when someone is one bad decision away from a decade behind bars. Question for you guys: do you think the judge was being tough or just honest? Let me know your take.
There should be a $1,500 fine, and that will be probated. Probation, is there anything else?
Okay.
Is there anything else you need from the court in order to be successful?
No, ma'am.
Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes.
Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed this plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because there was no affirmative finding. All right, we can go off the record. Here's the thing. You're going to have to make better decisions. You have children who are depending on you. If you don't make good decisions, what's going to end up happening is you're potentially looking at 10 years in the prison. Do you understand? All right, good luck to you.
Thank you.